Yes, this is Jesse with RestoPros of East Cleveland. Just want to do a quick video here, show you how we save a customer thousands and thousands of dollars as opposed to replacing their carpet. We had a flood over here. We're actually able to lift it and dry it. So just want to show here we got airflow underneath all these carpets here. So again, that's going to allow us to dry everything in place and save the customer a ton of money as it's a very large basement. 440-429-5462.